Make small steps in rethinking your lifestyle and about climate change. The 7 R's of sustainability are refuse, reuse, recycle, repurpose and repair, reduce, rot, rethink. The R that fuels our transformation into an ethical consumer is rethink. All this talk about climate change, environmentalism, and lifestyle change can be a bit overwhelming. So let us talk about how you can ease yourself into all this and still make an impact. Start small. Research about climate change. The first thing you can do is to research. For some, the word research provokes excitement. For others, it evokes dread. Do not focus solely on the negative articles about climate change, but find the reports that show you how you can tangibly make a difference today. There are equally as many articles about the small steps you can take to change how you consume goods, purchase goods, and look at your impact on the environment. There is hope, and you can be part of the movement to rethink and change the relationship you have with the environment. Write an email or make a phone call. It is not just about changing your consumption. It is also about asking the companies that we buy from to change their methods. Contact your favorite companies and ask them to change their packaging for their products or start using different materials for their products. If enough of us ask, they will listen. Ask questions. Ask yourself what you can tweak in your life to be friendlier to the environment. You can do what they call a waste audit. Ask yourself, what do I throw away the most? Is it possible to recycle this item? Can I repurpose this item? Can I get this fixed instead of throwing it out? What can I do about all the packaging and wrappings I use and throw away? Can I give this away to someone else, like a friend or someone on Facebook Marketplace? Is there a way that I can reduce my emissions, like carpooling to work? Do I turn off my electronics and lights when I'm not using them? When I buy a new car, should I buy an electric or hybrid? What can I do the next time I need new clothes and accessories? Consider a fun clothes swap party with friends. Buy from companies that have made an effort to look at their impact on climate change. Check out your local secondhand stores and online sources. What does it mean to be an ethical consumer? Life is already busy. Some days it feels like you can barely manage the lifestyle you have, let alone trying to change it. You want to make a difference in the fight against climate change. Luckily, Lao Tzu tells us that a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step.